What up? Don't know it's your boy Karon. So back at it again. So today I'm about to cut the muffler and install the double muffler that I have. So stay tuned, alright? So before I do the muffler thing, as you can see behind me, I set up a little spray boot and I was spraying the interior, but that didn't go too well, you know what I mean? So I'm about to show you what I'm talking about. If I know how to flip this shit. So this is what I started working on, but for some reason this shit keep on peeling off. I mean, I use everything that they recommended me to use, like acetone or some form of cleaning product, and it just keep on cracking. Yeah, and I was using duplicate color, but shit ain't working out. So that was supposed to be my next video, but it's not working out. So basically what I did, I bought a dye. I haven't received it yet. Yeah, so as you can see on the seat, like, it's cracking. But I ain't stressing myself about that. So, to continue this video, I'm about to take the jack out and jack this car up real quick. Okay, so these are the tools that you're gonna need to cut your muffler. This right here, tape measure. I'm gonna change the diffuser to a double, and this is the exhaust that I'll be installing. Okay, so this is what the car looks like now.